Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a special edition of Temu. This is gonna be the pink edition. So starting off with our pink watch, smartwatch. I was very impressed with the smartwatch, very impressed. This is what it looks like. So you can see that it really is pink. See? I haven't like plugged it up and all because I think it causes your other watches to mess up or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm very impressed with it. Just in case you haven't seen it in, well, I guess this isn't in person exactly, but it's kind of in person, you know? I started thinking, wait a minute. It's about to say if you haven't seen it in person yet. But, yeah. And then the next thing, let's see, we have is some false nails. These are pink little false nails. Tell the truth, I was planning to put them on, and then I kind of chickened out a little bit. Just a little bit. I might do it eventually, but the thing is, you know those fake nails that they had like back in the 90s, early 90s, maybe 80s or something, and you'll put the glue on there, and then you'll put the fake nail on there. Somehow I ended up gluing it to my hand or like my fingers or something crazy. So even though I feel sure that this one isn't like that, I think it actually even has, let me look, I'm gonna open it up. We'll open it up together. Let's see. I don't even think it's even nail glue. See, Sharon, you were scared for no reason at all. It's not even nail glue. It's looks like it's maybe a sticker or something that you press on. See, there was no reason to be scared at all. Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool. Well, very cool. Let me see. Let me see if I can. Well, I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to do it like on camera exactly because I gotta kind of shape my nails more towards that shape. But I am glad to see that it's not the little nail glue one, because that one was a little bit dangerous. Well, the ones they used to have. But these are little stickies that you put on. And that's what holds your nail on to, that's what holds your nail onto your nail. Yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. Next up, we have a larger package here. I'm going to try to scoot back some. I should have scooted my chair back a little bit. Come on. Oh well. That's about as well as we can do. Okay. Anybody can guess what it is? Put it in the comments if you guessed. Even if you didn't, just leave me a comment. I just like knowing somebody's out there listening. They're real people. Especially YouTube likes to know that these are real people, not bots. So please make sure you have subscribed and that you are still subscribed, because some subscribers have been removed, and this has happened to other YouTubers as well. So just make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. Okay, so this came with a nice little dust bag. And I'm gonna pull it out. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna bring it up close so you can see. I think this is just adorable. A little cat. And the size of it is approximately 13 inches, I would say, from here to down here. Maybe even 14, I'm not sure. But probably about 13 inches, 13 and a half. 13 and a half sounds about right. But yeah, so you can unbuckle it here. And it has a little zip pocket right here. You can put quite a bit of things, quite a few things in there. I was thinking that doesn't make sense. But yeah, a little zipper pocket here. Another one over here that's not a zipper pocket, but you can put a couple of things in there if you want to keep it separated from the rest of your things. Let's see. See? Hopefully from that shot you can see how far. This is where it ends. Cheese. 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 Got to get that thumbnail shot. Cheese. Oh, I should do it like this, actually. I think this is so pretty, though. This is a really nice bag. And see the little gold dots on it. It's very, very fancy, like. And then on this side, you have another pocket. Another little zipper pocket. It doesn't go really deep, but can hold a few things right in here. Actually can hold quite a few things. Maybe like some gum, a little bit of money, something like that. And then I really like how the straps are nice and silky. See? That's good material there. That's good material. Let's keep moving. How many of you have seen this? It's one of the most popular toys there is. I'm gonna open it. On another website, who shall remain nameless, theirs costs the same thing, same box, everything. Costs like $18 and something. I paid like $5 and something on Temu. Yeah. I'm gonna put all the information down below. But I'm gonna show you just a little bit of this game. You do have to add your own batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. And then what you do is you're gonna turn it on like so. And it's gonna make this big noise. But, well, let me finish explaining it before I start turning it on, because it is kind of loud. These are gonna light up first. And then you're gonna try to copy whatever's lit. And then it's going to do that a couple of times, and then it'll take you to the next level, to the next level, to the next level. If you kind of mess up, it'll take you down a level. So let's see.
Welcome to the puzzle game.
See, I messed up there. I wasn't supposed to. Okay, boop, boop, boop. And you hit it in the back right there to start it. Another mess up. Start it over. Gotta be quick about it. So each time I finish, I press this little back button. And one thing about it, I'm going to turn this off. One thing about it is this is great for memory as well as concentration, focus. Let's see, what all did it say? It helps you with hand-eye coordination. So great little toy, or a great interactive toy. And it really, I enjoyed it. I played it for a little bit. Okay, maybe not a little bit. Maybe I played it for a while. But I will say this. This is one of those toys that is not just a toy for children. It's good for adults too, because this is something that's good for your mind. If you want to see the little tabs on there, they're real easy to press down. And then the back part, you're pressing like that. It's not like you got to press it really hard or anything. And there's a couple of different ones that they had. I can't remember what all which all they had, but which ones they had. But yeah. I was looking on the box to see what else it said about this interactive game. But yeah, I would say this is probably one of my favorite items. Actually, all of the items that Temu helped me with or provided. I guess that's the way you say it. I don't know. Anyway, Temu bought these. So thank you so much, Temu. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now. It's just kind of a small haul because I wanted to kind of do some really nice products for you all to get a chance to look at. Just showing it to you again. And like I said, all of these products will be in the description area. And these, even though it's not, well, there we go. Oh, kind of. This is a French manicure. It's not showing up as well as I would like for it to. It's not behaving itself. Come on. But you can kind of see that it has a little pinkish undertone. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. If you're watching this close to the weekend, if you're not, I hope you have a wonderful week. And I'll see you later. Bye.